So some small additional introduction. So cogniflow, it's a spin-off from VVG. VVG, it's Italian outsourcing technology development company. So the main idea was that VVG have done a lot of automations for last year for themselves as a software company and technology company, and end up in a different ideas how they can do the lead generation. And as a result, 2 weeks ago, we formed a separate entity like lead generation agency to help other clients. So the main pain points we are solving right now is the limited capacity of a salespeople, different slow cycles. So how to speed up the sales cycle, how to help our sales team to be more productive and more focused on the closing deals, and how to scale the outreach. Because now we have a lot of tools which can help us to scale outreach, but with AI agents, it's also a question how we can scale it in a more smart way. So some small introduction as well about what is AI agent, because it's a lot of information around, and AI agent is just an AI where every step on some routine work it's optimized. So what we do as a lead generation managers or as a sales developer, SDRs, so we go and look on a different audience. We try to understand which audience is our buyer personas. We have a list of buyer personas and companies we would like to target, and we are doing the selection manually and then outreach. So we broke down the same with AI. So our AI is validating the buyer persona with our ideal customer profile, select the companies we are interested to outreach, gather the details and information from the open data, actually what this company is doing and what is the interest of this person, and crafting optimized tailored messages as well with AI. So we optimize the same things what is done by SDR, but more in a scale way. And now every SDR don't need to spend a couple of hours to do the high quality outreach. So what actually it gives us as a companies? We do believe that it's really important that it should accelerate the team, and team should manage and lead this lead generation process. So it's not AI is doing everything behalf of us. The people should make a right decisions and business decisions and outreach decisions, and AI just helping to optimize this. So what we optimizing at cogniflow. So we are focused on sales and marketing and mainly on outreach. So we do lead research and data enrichment to get as much as possible information about our lead. Second, we are doing the outbound prospecting as SDR automation, and our automation is working until the time our potential customer book the demo, and afterwards the sales manager take place, as well as inbound lead handling and qualification. So we have a qualification scoring model which help us to understand the high scored prospects and to have more focus on the deals we can close faster. And the last one is the sales enablement and support. So we have an agent who helps with a quotation generation, on a meeting summary, and all updates in the CRM, that salespeople more and more focus on the closing deals, not operationals. So how we've done this? In terms of AI agents, now we have a couple of leading platforms which is doing the integration. So we've chosen NAN. They have more than 400 different integration with the tools. It means that when we enter the client and we are going to optimize the processes, we already have a lot of integrations and we can do it really fast and easy. That is why we build it based on this platform. And after that, we also integrate with different CRM systems within the customer, that you have all updates ready to analyze. We are doing it in 2 weeks. So as our agents already built and tested, we deploy on a customer infrastructure. And I think it's really important to highlight, because now a lot of companies doing different business models, especially in AI agents. For us, we're doing it product as a service. So we choose the agent, it's needed to the customer, we have it ready, we go to the customer, and we right away implement everything. And then we leave a couple of months for the setup and improvements, but our agent is ready to work right away. So now I will do the really short description of the different agents we've done and what they are doing. And as well, after that, we will do the demo of them. So first, the agent we've built, it's multi-channel SDR agent. This is the agents which is helping to identify our buyer personas, our ideal customer profiles, and doing the outreach through the email and LinkedIn. As well, every message we are crafting, it's customized. It means that we are not spamming the people with some general messages. We know our buyer persona, we know what they're interested about and what are their main pain points. And our AI, based on the general data it found about this person and company, is doing the outreach, customized one. That is why we have quite good results in terms of cold outreaches, because we are doing the personalized outreach and we can scale it. So now AI gives another perspective on a cold outreach marketing, because before everyone believed it's already died. So we don't have a future with cold email marketing, but actually now we have. So what is actually we are doing? We have a complex workflows. Alexei will give you a view and you will check how it looks like, but we have smartly optimized every small step into lead generation, and we have a different steps we just performing with the AI agents. But as we have already in our team more than 10 years experience in lead generation, we really enhance everyday steps. So together with the agents, and just besides the automation itself, you get the knowledge of the outreach and lead generation from a team. This is why you can enhance really your existing processes at the company. Another agents, it's a lead research and enrichment agents. Sometimes customers says, okay, we are not ready to let AI outreach our customers. We would like to do it ourselves. But for us, it's important to have this information, like to have information about the lead itself, to have a scoring, to have a ready database in our CRM. That is why we would like to have a list of potential buyers, and our team will do outreach themselves. That is why we did a separate agents for lead enrichment and research. The agent number 3 is a conference preparation. We decided to do this because I personally worked in a startup before in Amsterdam, and I realized how hard it's to prepare to the conference. Every time, and we were visited around 15 different conferences a year, and every time we need to dedicate my time, CEO time, and we have a marketing manager to do the outreach. Because if we are going to the conference and we are actually spending 2 or 3 days at a conference, we need to maximize the value of a time spending and for sure on a money spending. So that is why we crafted the conference preparation agents. It means if you're going to any conference and you have a B2B matchmaking platform, you can actually select your audience, and AI will analyze your buyer personas and will craft emails and LinkedIn's to ask these people to come to your booth. As a result, you can reach up to 70, 80 meetings B2B meetings in a conference during the 2 days. It's really important because it's maximize the value of participation in a conference itself. So besides the conference preparation, as a result, you will have also the list of high potential leads. You will have people who visited conference, and it's really great idea to follow up, even you didn't met them, about your product, about your services, and try to book a demo afterwards and to speak with your potential customers. So you will get a quite qualified list of your ICPs as well. And the last one, this is AI quotation agent. So over time, we realized that for product and service companies, sometimes it's really time consuming to do the quotation. And we can optimize it with AI really now up to 80%. That what is left for the person is to check the 20% and it's ready to go. Currently, we are working with the software companies who need to craft the proposals for the customers every time different ones. And it's really time consuming. It's hard to estimate. But as well, now we are more working with the product service companies as well, when they have this logic behind in terms of a quotation, but usually they have a complex Excels, or they have a two-person dedicated just in terms of a shaping quotation. And now we are doing it with AI because it's save a lot of time. And sometimes as faster you answer to the customer, the more chances you have actually to get this customer on board. And as a separately as well for software companies, we have a quick quote. It's a 3 minutes generation quotation agent. When anyone would like to understand how much money, cost, and time will take to do the project, they would like to, they don't need to wait. So they will right away get a quotation from you, and be ready to discover your proposal.